everyone, hello, namaste, welcome back to Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond located at MG Road, Hyderabad. In today's video, we are going to see some very lightweight ear tops starting with just 7 grams onwards, which are so very beautiful that you will not believe that we have designed this for you in such a lightweight. But these are designer pieces which are highly durable with nakshi workmanship and also precious stones, which you're going to enjoy. So stay tuned till the end of this video while I show you these pieces one by one. I will also show you the weight, the prices. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Starting with the beautiful ear top is this one. Here you can see beautiful detailing of emeralds at the corner, and in the center you can see this floral kind of a pattern. Usually we get this kind of designs outside also, but on top of it we have added some additional emeralds towards the outer corner to give it a very statement look, and the whole piece is crafted in pure 22 karat gold. If we look at the net weight of this is coming close to 7.400 grams, and the price of this will be coming close to 70,000 rupees approximately. But if you want to check more pieces or you even want to custom create this, you can just contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Moving ahead towards the next ear top is again a beautiful ear top with emerald detailing and also color stones, but this one is slightly different to the one that I have shown you before. Net weight of this is 8.250 grams. The CZ weight here is 1.150 carat. Onyx weight is coming close to 2.050 carat. Emerald's weight is coming close to 2.550 carat approximately, and the price will come close to 70 or 80,000 rupees approximately. Moving ahead towards the next earring is this one. It is almost similar to the one that I have shown you before, because see, if you see this piece has extended patterns, but this one has closed pattern. That's the only difference. Otherwise the design is almost the similar here, and it has onyx, emeralds, pure 22 karat gold used. And if you look at the net weight, it is 8.910 grams. CZ weight is 1.200 carat. Onyx weight is 2.450 carat. Emerald weight is 2.150 carat. If you like this piece, you can even custom create this in other color stones. You can just contact us on the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen, and the price will come close to 70 or 80,000 rupees approximately. The last ear top is this one, which has beautiful images of Lord Shiva and Parvati. So Shiv Parvati ear tops you can see, and you have all pearl detailing here in seed pearl. Pure 22 karat gold is used here. The net weight is between 7 to 8 grams, and the price is between 60 to 70,000 rupees approximately. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this very lightweight ear top collection at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. If you liked it, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell notification, and do follow us on Instagram too.